Could a keyboard and mouse combo actually make your desk setup feel like a cozy, delicious treat? YUNZII certainly thinks so, and after spending some time with their C75 keyboard and C2 mouse, it's easy to see why. This isn't just another peripheral set. It's a sweet addition designed to bring charm and high performance to any workspace. Let's start with the YUNZII C75 keyboard. Right out of the box, its cute cake aesthetic in beige, paired with the Milk V2 switches, is undeniably charming. But this isn't just about looks. Beneath that delightful exterior lies a truly premium typing experience. The C75 boasts a gasket structure, which, combined with multiple layers of sound-absorbing fillings, pre-lubed mechanical switches and stabilizers, and solid silicone, creates a wonderfully creamy and satisfyingly thocky sound profile. Every keystroke feels smooth, consistent, and incredibly solid, effectively eliminating unwanted typing noise. It's a tactile and auditory delight that genuinely enhances typing comfort, whether you're writing a novel or battling in a game. Connectivity is another strong suit for the C75. It offers tri-mode options: Bluetooth 5, 2, 4 GHz wireless, and a reliable USB-C wired connection. This means seamless switching between up to 5 different devices, supporting Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS systems. You get stable, low-latency performance, which is crucial for both productivity and gaming, without the hassle of constant repairing. Now, let's talk about its adorable companion, the YUNZII C2 wireless mouse in pink. This cute mouse is all about simplicity and precision. Setting it up is a breeze. Just install the battery, plug the 2.4G receiver into your device, flip the switch, and you're good to go. No complicated software or drivers needed. You get instant, smooth responsiveness and the freedom of a cable-free experience. For precision, the C2 offers 3 adjustable DPI levels: 800 for detailed design work, 1200 for comfortable office browsing, and 1600 for faster-paced gaming. The 250 Hz polling rate ensures accurate tracking, making it a versatile tool for various tasks. Together, the YUNZII C75 keyboard and C2 mouse create a cohesive and delightful desk setup. They're not just functional tools, they're pieces that add personality and a touch of sweetness to your environment. Whether you're looking for a thoughtful gift or simply want to upgrade your own home, office, or gaming station with something truly special, this combo delivers. If you're seeking a desk setup that's as delightful to look at as it is to use, this YUNZII duo truly offers a charming and high-performing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.